I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. The internet is down, so I can't use the laptop to upload this picture. So we're going to do this in one take, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing. This is a hammer that I picked up at that garage sale. I'm having a problem. On the handle, it says Matco USA B 15. On the internet, there is nothing that talks about a Matco B15 that isn't a brass hammer. They all have wooden handles. So I'm wondering if somebody took a Matco brass hammer handle and put it into this head. The only thing that makes me not think that's true is this is just the same as this one. This one had black paint over the top of the handle. This one has black paint over the top of the handle. So I'm starting to think there's something fishy going on. In any case, it's a nice hammer. I'm going to shut off the camera, go ahead and clean it up, and I'll be back in just a second. Got the handle all cleaned up. I'll put some boiled linseed oil on it. I like how it kind of makes the wood pop. I have to have one hand without the glove on it so I can run the camera. When your equipment starts acting up on you, you got to make all kinds of changes to things. Now we'll put some wax on it. Always makes it look better. Last step. Now, I really don't understand why I can't find that hammer in the Matco catalog. might have only made it 1 or 2 years in the catalog and they just never put it in there. Or maybe the catalog went past the end of its expiration and this never got in it. In any case, it is a nice hammer. And I've had situations where I could use a hammer like this. I've actually used a chipping hammer to fix up a couple of little dings and dents and things that you couldn't get down inside of a fender well. You know, where the fender curls over. And you want to get down inside of that. You can't get a spoon down in there. And you just take a chipping hammer and you hold your iron on the outside and you tap that in. So now I have a cross peen this way and that way. It does look like a Twible, but it's not. A Twible is a wood cutting chisel with a handle similar to this that you use to cut deep mortises with. But anyways, it was interesting. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.